Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time I'm showing you guys my general investing account. So as you guys know, like my stocks and shares ISA, my general investing account has taken an absolute massive hit with the market going down. As you guys can see, the S&P 500 is down 8.44% over the last month roughly. So what's that mean for my portfolio? So as you guys know, Tesla's beta is about 1.3. So if you take that 8.44 times it by 2.3ish, that should be your return for Tesla. So if we go into Tesla, look at the last month, we're down about 30%, which is more than the beta. So that does tell you that there are other factors at play. A lot of it is like political FUD. So yeah, I don't really like long term. It's not really going to have much impact on the company. Yes, short term there are some noise. Oh my god, like with demand decreased in Europe, I think like 90% of that decrease in demand is due to the refresh Model Y coming out. Obviously, production lines going to have to be down, and they have to refit the new stamping presses and all sorts for the different like updated design and just improved capability of the new like model. And obviously, people aren't going to buy old Teslas in inventory when there's a new one just coming out. So that I will explain, explains 90% of the decrease in demand, which is a lot of the external factors that have led to this decrease in price, as well as because there are bullish things with Tesla's like FSD in China rolling out, and so many good things like surrounding the company that just go unnoticed. And like as a result of that, I have just been able to buy. I didn't like after we had the massive run up. I did not think I was going to be able to buy again at these prices. Obviously, I was like, it'll probably come down in the 300s. I did not think it was going to be like 250, like 260. So if we look, obviously, guys, as you guys know, you haven't seen my update from like last week. I didn't show you guys my general invest account last week. So as you guys can see, I put in some more money in my account. And look at a week ago, I bought 2.4 shares at Tesla, and then I bought another 0.2 shares, and this was at 282. And I was like, okay, it's a pretty great price considering 2025. And I've like Cathie Wood has like a $2,000 a share price target in 2027. Obviously, I think that's a bit ambitious. I think it might be an extra year before Tesla like comes close to that price target. But even so, that is ridiculous. And if we go to this week, I have got an extra 1.8 shares. So if you add it to those shares, I am now officially at 100 shares. Now, yes, unfortunately, because I have increased my average price by so much, buying at the higher prices, it does say that I'm down. But I will say that majority of my position, I did buy like the first like 50, 60 shares were in the like low 200 range. So, and obviously that's shown up to like above 250, like 256. And because obviously my average prices are skyrocketed, I'm not too bothered about that. So yeah, I'm basically have broken even on this count. Like it says, I'm minus 49, £49, which so is this, and obviously the other account will be pretty similar because they have pretty similar average prices. So basically, I'm back to square one now. I've seen in the comments a lot of you guys are telling me to diversify. Well, that would, obviously if I did that when the Tesla was still at 480, and then I could like obviously that would be good, but unfortunately it's a bit late now. I think that pretty much all of the damage has been done. Like maybe it gets down to like 220 at a push. Like I don't really see it going down below 200. If it does, it's just an even more buying opportunity for me. I'm going to take that like chance like very like fast as soon as I have money. Boom, instantly into Tesla. Obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. I do not recommend like following what I'm doing. I'm taking a very risky strategy. Obviously, this is money that obviously like I'll be devastated if it does go to zero, but it won't be the end of the world. I'm 22 years old. I can afford to start over. Like most people my age don't have like 20,000 discount. It's like 8,000 in my ISA, so they don't have £100,000, in stocks and shares. So I can afford to start over because most people my age have just been like left uni or just finished their apprenticeship, getting their first job in the workplace, and just starting out. So like guys, I'm not in a situation. I'm not like too worried if this all goes to zero. Like, and I don't say that as like because maybe you guys think I've gotten disconnected from the money. Like, and I think that's good in the sense that it like, because you need to take the emotion out of investing. Like, so when I see like this figure, £20,000, I don't really like. It's hard to picture that like in like real terms, because I still like live like as if I have like not a penny to my name. Like that's basically how I've been able to accrue it, because every single amount of my paycheck just goes straight into my ISA account. Hence why I've maxed it out, and I've had to go into a general investment account. So yeah, that's currently what my portfolio is looking like in my general investment account. If you guys seen my monthly portfolio update where I showed you guys both accounts, it was like 140,000, and that's in dollars. So obviously it's in pounds, it's a lot less. And I think right now it's just dropped below £100,000. So yeah, I no longer have a six-figure portfolio. But let me just tell you, that will change when we enter the new tax year. Because right now I've hit 100 shares in this account. I've got 382 on my other account. So I'm at 482 Tesla shares right now. And obviously, so I'm stocking up cash right now. So when the new tax year hits, I can just like go back to piling money into my ISA, because 100 shares, nice round number, like it satisfies my OCD. So yeah, I can go back to stockpiling money ready for to put into the general invest account in the new tax year. Obviously, there might be some changes if to do with the ISA in the new tax year, depending on what Rachel Reeves says. I will try and make a video on that, on those changes, because there has been some revelations since when I last made my video. Obviously, we don't know if the decision is going to be permanent yet. But yeah, I'll give you my thoughts on that in the next video. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to like, subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and goodbye.